Okay, YouTube friends, we put the got the snap ring behind the pulley, and then we put the pulley on. It just slides on pretty easily. You can see right there it kind of gives a little bit, and really it would be easier than that, but we put a few little scratches on the housing there, the round housing that this slides onto while we were working on with the other snap ring. So just take a rubber hammer and tap it on there. Tap it down good and snug. And this snap ring, I'm a little concerned with this snap ring because it's got a little rounded edge here, kind of indented, and this side is pretty square. Looks to me like it was designed to go with that a little bit of an angle out here, and I'm thinking it's going to snap right in when I get to that. Yes, it did. Just snap right in. So obviously it was designed that way. Looked like it was designed that way to start with, which is counter to what we've been taught before. We normally put the angle part inside if it's rounded or angled. But on this one, I'm saying that since the clutch pulls in on it, the magnet pulls it in, that the square part will be on the inside. It kind of makes sense to me anyway. Okay, if anybody's got any comments on that part of it and the experience with that, let us know. Alright, let me get just a little bit something just to tap that. Anybody works on one of these, if you can pull this inner fender liner out of the way, it'd probably be easier. With this this inner fender liner right here out of the way. If I was doing it all over again, I'd probably just go ahead and do that. But we're getting close to home now with this job. So I don't think I'm going to be doing that. Y'all forgive me for using a carpenter's hammer on it. I don't have my ball peen hammer handy. Alright, spins good. Now, I'll just need my outer plate here. And I'll need those 3 little washers. This one had 3 thin washers. You pull that down a little bit. Kind of wipe them off a little bit. 1. 2 washer shims, and 3. Okay, you need to make sure they sit down flat. which they haven't so far. But now they have, because I used a little pin to flatten them out a little bit. Okay, they should remain flat. Okay, one of them probably laid down because it's not going all the way in. Might have to get a little grease to hold them in place.